Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to day 3 and day 4. I know I'm sharing this video a little late, however I'm sure you guys will enjoy this new video. Today I'm sharing a story of my journey. It's everybody's dream, and today it's my dream which is going to be fulfilled. So we started at 10:30 a.m. morning and headed to fuel station straight to fill up the fuel to our bikes. We had a group of bikers and we were all ready with our bikes, gears and required stuff like water, glucose, etc. We could not have a breakfast, but because of the excitement we did not feel hungry though at that particular moment, which was our first mistake in this travel. But then we all started our journey from Leh to Nubra Valley via Khardungla Pass. Today I'll be on the road at a high altitude of approximately 16,000 feet or beyond that. Yes, we are heading towards Nubra Valley by bike. Nubra Valley is a large, flat and wide region located about 150 km north of Leh, the capital of Ladakh district. An line permit is required for visiting this valley. The Nubra River is also called Siachen Nala by locals as the Siachen Glacier melts into this river. The average altitude of the valley is about 10,000 feet above the sea level. Like the rest of Ladakh, Nubra is a high altitude, cold desert with scant vegetation except along riverbeds. The ancient Silk Road passes through this valley. The main road access to the Nubra Valley is over the Khardungla Pass from Leh. Khardungla is situated 39 kilometers by road from Leh. The pass is strategically important to India as it is used to carry supplies to the Siachen Glacier, the highest battlefield in the world, which lies partway up the Nubra Valley. It's a difficult mountain pass with curvy roads sneaking through several mountains with deep valleys. The roads are at high altitude of approximately 16,000 feet or beyond that. The road becomes rough due to frequent landslides and being covered in snow almost 6 months of the year. With numerous bends and blind corners, driving through this pass is a nerve-wracking experience, especially in bad weather conditions. However, the views are breathtakingly beautiful. Khardungla Pass, said to be the world's highest motorable road at an altitude of 18,380 feet. The thrill of visiting the highest pass in the world will churn up your emotions. But it's better to be safe than sorry, and hence do not expose yourself too much and for too long at such high altitudes. Today, it is a memorable day, as it is not very often that one gets to drive on a road at an altitude of 18,380 feet. That is where Khardungla Pass, meaning the Pass of Lower Castle, is located on the way from Leh to the Nubra Valley in Ladakh. It is the highest motorable road in the world, as signs put up by the Border Roads Organization proudly proclaim. this was a story of our journey. I hope you all had a great time watching this video, and also hope you all liked this video. Let me know how you felt about this video in comment section below. And before we say goodbye, let me tell you about my next video, which is going to be about Pangong Lake, which is my favorite place by far in Ladakh. Do subscribe and hit the bell button to watch my future videos and support me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.